Hello students, the next topic is of nucleus. Nucleus first time observed by the Robert Brown. Robert Brown in orchid cell. It is prominent cell organ of the cell and nearly it is present at the center of the cell. Nucleus normally one in each cell, but sometimes or some cells is binucleate, like in fungi, dikaryotic stage is there. In Paramecium, it is of trinucleate. Paramecium aurelia, it is of trinucleate. In fungi, that is of Basidiomycetes, it is of binucleate. Otherwise, in maximum cells, the single nucleus is there, or uninucleate or mononucleate condition is there. Size of nucleus, size it occupies, that is 15 to 25% of the cell, part of the cell, and nearly it is present at the geometric center of the cells. सेल के सेंटर के अंदर ये प्रेजेंट होता है, इधर उधर नहीं होता है, और मैक्सिमम स्पेस इट ऑक्यूपाई इन एनिमल सेल. बट इफ यू सी इन द प्लांट सेल, द लार्जेस्ट सेल ऑर्गन इज ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट, एंड इन एनिमल सेल दैट इज द लार्जेस्ट सेल ऑर्गन इज ऑफ न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस having following parts. The part of nucleus, first, that is of nuclear envelope. Second is of nucleoplasm. Third is of nucleolus. And fourth is of chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber. These mainly four parts present in the nucleus. First one is of nuclear envelope, or that is of nuclear membrane. Nucleus contains two membranes. That is of outer membrane and inner membranes. It is this continuous part because it is interrupted by the nuclear pores. Outer membrane and inner membrane, it is not continuous, it is interrupted by the nuclear pores that help in the connection of nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. The outer membrane is also joined with the endoplasmic reticulum. It is also joined with the endoplasmic reticulum. But inner membrane is directly contact with the nucleoplasm. If we see, the outer membrane is more permeable as compared to inner membrane, and the space present between both the membrane, that is known as perimembranous space. Perimembranous space. This is outer membrane. This one is of inner membrane. And between them, the perimembranous space is there. The composition of nuclear membrane is that it's made up from lipid protein, like the cell membrane composition. Means all the cell organelles is made up from the protein, lipid and proteins, like the cell membrane or plasma membrane. So here again, the nuclear membrane is also made up from protein, lipid and proteins. These are the nuclear pores that connect the cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Nuclear pores. Then next portion of the nucleus, that is of nucleoplasm. It is ground substance of the nucleus that contain all the material which is present inside the nucleus. It is transparent semi-liquid fluids that contain different types of chemicals like nucleotides, nucleosides, ATP, protein, enzymes. That nucleoplasm contain nucleotide, nucleoside, protein, enzyme. That is also essential for the formation of chromosomes also. जो क्रोमोसोम को बनाने के लिए जो चीजें चाहिए वो सारी चीजें यहाँ पर न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म में प्रेजेंट होती है. न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म कंटेन one or sometimes two the granular substance that is not enclosed by any membrane. This portion is known as nucleolus. Nucleolus first time discovered by the scientist Fontana. Fontana discovered the nucleolus, that is granular substance which is present inside the nucleus. It may be one or two is there, sometimes two or sometimes more than two. Nucleolus origin is depend upon, or nucleolus origin is depend upon the different chromosomes, that is of 13, 14 in human beings, 13, 14, 20 and 21 chromosomes. These chromosomal origin is depends the nucleolus. Nucleolus contain some granules and fibril portion, which was investigated by the Fontana first time. And then the next portion of the nucleus, that is of chromatin fibers, which is abundantly throughout present inside the nucleus. This is of chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber. This word derived from chroma. Chroma means color. And first time Fleming find out the staining techniques. Fleming find out the staining techniques. Staining techniques means that colorized the particular portion or particular organs, and in cell these nucleus or these chromatin fiber take up the color specific. That's why these terms comes from the chroma or color. So that is chromatin fiber. During stain, some part of the chromatin fiber take dark stain, some part take up light stain. The light stain portion is known as euchromatin. Euchromatin. Light stain part is known as euchromatin, and dark stain part is known as heterochromatin. Heterochromatin. Dark stain part, that is known as heterochromatin, and light stain part is known as euchromatin. Normally, that nucleus is seen during the interphase. Nucleus is seen in the cell during the interphase. What is the interphase? The cell having different phases during the division. During the cell division, during a cell has the following phase. Suppose cell division is there. Cell division divided into two stages. One is of interphase, another is of division phase, and one is of interphase. So nucleus seen during the interphase only, not the division phase. Division phase के time में it will be disappear, and these chromatin fibers to form chromosome. Chromatin fibers form the chromosome during the cell division, but during interphase the complete intact nucleus is there, and at the time of cell division these chromosomes condensed to form, means at the time of cell division chromatin fiber form chromosomes, means this chromatin fiber condensed to form chromosomes. Normally that chromosome is made up from DNA, RNA and protein. Chromosome is made up from three things, that is of DNA, RNA and proteins. These chromosomes contain two arms. If we see the structure of chromosome, what is the structure of chromosomes? Chromosomes contain two arms. These two arms is known as chromatids. These two arms, these are known as chromatids. This one is of chromatid. This one is of centromere. Central portion where both the chromatids join together. That central portion, is known as centromere, and these arms is known as chromatids. And these two chromatids of each chromosome, these two chromatids of each chromosome is known as sister chromatids. These are known as sister chromatids. According to the position of centromere, chromosome is of four types. According to position of centromere, chromosome is of four types. When centromere present at the center and both the branches are similar in size, such type of chromosome is known as metacentric. Metacentric means chromosome centromere present at the center and both the branches are in same size, that is of metacentric. If that centromere slightly towards the one end, where one branch is slightly larger than the another branch, such type of chromosome is known as submetacentric. Here this one is of centromere, these are chromatids and these are two sister chromatids, means slightly away from the middle portion. That centromere is slightly away from the middle portion, and this type of chromosome is known as submetacentric. Suppose it is more away from the center से और ज़्यादा है, जिसमें one branch is very short and one branch is very long. One branch is very short and one other branch is very long. Such type of centromere is known as acrocentric. Acrocentric means one branch is very short and another branch is very long, that is of acrocentric. And fourth type of chromosome in which centromere at the terminal position, and chromosome means only one branch is there, means only these chromatids present the one side, and that centromere present in the terminal position here. This is the centromere. This is the centromere, and the such type of chromosome is known as telocentric. And one more type of chromosome is there. If chromatid is there but not centromere is there, without centromere, that is of acentric. These are the non-functional chromosome. They are the detached from any chromosome. This is a small fragment of the chromosome, which is the non-functional chromosome. So according to centromere, metacentric, when centromere center just away from the center, submetacentric, more away from the center, one branch is very short, another branch is very long, acrocentric, and only one branch is there, that is the telocentric. So this is the portion where both the branches is joined together. This is known as also known as primary construction. Sometimes one more construction present in the chromosomes, not in all chromosomes. One more construction present in the chromosome like this way. This one is known as secondary construction. This one is your primary construction. Secondary construction not present in all the chromosome. This one portion is known as satellite, and this chromosome is known as set chromosome. It is not present in all the chromosomes, and this portion which is present in secondary, in which secondary construction is there, this is known as nucleolar organizer. Means this chromosome also help in the formation of nucleolus after the cell division. So that's why secondary construction present only in some chromosome, just like that is of 13, 14, 20 and 21. That is the chromosome which is help in the reformation of nucleolus inside the nucleus. So these four types of chromosomes according to the position of centromere. Now, what is the function of these chromosomes? क्रोमोसोम के फंक्शन क्या हो सकते हैं, क्या नहीं हो सकते हैं, ये बात करें. The chromosome contain genetic information. It contains genetic information, that in DNA and RNA. Another, it helps in the transformation of genetic information. Help in transformation of genetic information. It helps in cell division. It helps in the cell division also. It helps in cell growth. Also, cell growth is controlled by the nucleus. It helps in cell differentiation. Cell differentiation and control all type of metabolism. Control all types of metabolism inside the cell. So these are the different functions, means that is the brain of the cells. Nucleus work as a brain of the cells which control all the function inside the cell. And earlier I said to you, the nucleus mainly present in interphase. During the cell division it will be disappear and chromatin fiber to form chromosome. They will divide it again after the cell division. Nuclear membrane nuclear envelope reappear and nucleus will be formed.